Hello guys, this is Mohit Gana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want to learn how to make dual tone effect using Lightroom mobile? Then watch the video till the end. Dual color tone effect is quite popular on Instagram and it gives a unique look to your image. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For this effect, your image has to be in black and white. If it's not in black and white, then don't worry, convert it to black and white and then import it to Lightroom. So I'm going to be editing this image right here. First, let's go to selective adjustment and then click on the plus button over here and then select linear gradient tool. Now drag it in this direction as shown. Now go to color and decrease the temperature to -100 and also get the tint down to -100. Then adjust the placement a little bit so that it covers half the face. Then save it. Again click on the selective adjustment tool, plus and linear gradient tool. Now we'll drag it from the opposite direction. Go to temperature. Now increase the temperature. And now let's play with the color a little bit. Let's get the color to somewhere where it looks pink or pink magenta-ish. For me, this looks good. It depends on your image. Now let's adjust the placement like so. Yeah, this looks fine. Now let's save it. But as you can see, even the background is getting affected. We don't want that. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to vignetting. Now let's set the vignette to somewhere around -50. And let's get the mid down all the way down to 0. And let's increase the feather to 100. And now let's increase the highlights a little bit, maybe over 30. This looks fine, but I think it's become a little bit dark. I'm gonna increase the vignette to -40. After this, you can add any presets that you like, or you can leave it as it is. For me, this looks fine. So this is the before and this is the after. So that was the tutorial. Hope you learned something. If you did, please like and share. And if you want me to do more mobile editing tutorials, please do drop down the suggestions in the comment box below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you get updates whenever I put up a new video. And also do check my other videos. Bye.